If you want to take off the mask for a while, you should use the mask bag. Perform hand hygiene. Open the mask bag first. Hold both the ear loops and take off gently from face. Put it into the mask bag carefully. Avoid touching the outside of the mask during taking off, as it may be covered with germs. To take out the mask from the mask bag, perform hand hygiene. Take the mask out carefully, without touching the outside of the mask, and then put it on properly. Sterilize the mask bag every time after use.
Camões, please protect yourselves and others by wearing a mask properly and clean your hands regularly. See you soon at the school campus.